Hi guys, what's up today? My name is John, so let's get playing Flashgate 2. Before I play, please like and subscribe, and please give me a notification and comment down below how does the video looks. So let's get started. So guys, we are in the game. So guys, I'm back. Yay, the new map, Forgotten Tombs. Let's see, can anyone press the button? OMG, some people can't. Is it so pro? It's just C. This game's so easy, but sometimes not. Cause Dockside Facility is one of the hardest map ever. Guys, are you even pressing? Yes, yeah. Guys, I'm selfish. No, I won't press the button. I'm just so lazy. I wonder one of you guys are lazy. You are lazy. Please comment down below. And yeah, so guys, so I'm the first one who ever get it. I'm not going to be pressing the button. I'm just being this person. I mean, not a person. So guys, just go press the button. I'm going for you all's button. I mean, all of you's button. Guys, thank you. You're gonna help me. OMG, now I'm faster than that guy. OMG, I fell into the lava because I ran. I won this round. Yay. Coughs. Wait a minute. So guys, I'm back. OMG, I almost died by the water because I was AFK coughing. OMG, that was funny. Lol. OMG. So guys, I'm going to teleport. So guys, I'm done. Yay, more normal. What? Am I stuck? Let's jump up there and just be stuck. No, the crypt sees. Why? This map sucks. This map's easy. I mean map. So guys, I'm just lying. I'm not pressing. I'm lazy. Later than I press. Let me let someone else win. I mean, let me let someone else press. I'm just so lazy. OMG things. Everyone's just like spreading together. I mean together. What together? Together is like spaghetti. OMG. Freak. I'm hell. Oh shit. I'm going to see. Don't tell. Wait, why did I spell like that? Although I don't care, it's the same time. Yay. Dockside facility. Dockside facility are beneath the ruins. Or maybe nothing. Okay. Let me just teleport to this map. So guys, our name is Gloomy Monitor, Main Monitor.